Tea?
Oh, still gonna miss my outfit. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Hello. You don't need to bow. I'm Cutie the elephant, Rose's best friend. Do you want some cookies?
I actually love cookies.
Cody, you're not here to stuff your face with cookies. Let's just do this.
You sound unhappy. You can tell me what's wrong. That's what friends are for.
No, nothing's wrong. It's great. Everything's like super great.
Well, I can see you're not happy. You need a hug.
I kind of do. Oh,
Cody, what are you doing? Let's kill her.
Kill me? Why do you want to kill me?
oh no. We don't want to kill you. We just kind of have to. Just a little bit.
But I'm Cutie the loving elephant. I love Rose, and Rose loves me. I don't want to die.
I know, but we have no choice. I'm sorry.
No.
This is gonna be ugly.
Quick, do something!
Hold on a second.
Okay. Oh!
Yes!
Guess that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Cutie, we don't want to do this, but we have to.
We have to make Rose cry! It's nothing personal, we just need to break this spell!
You used to be good at this.
Yeah, with dead toys, not alive and screaming. Hurry! Before she escapes!
We're really sorry for this.
Yeah, we don't like violence! Oh, we gotta get her to the edge of the bookshelf!
Cat's on the other side. Come on, grab her.
You're scaring me! Where are you taking me? Please stop!
Someplace quiet and safe.
Friends are supposed to help each other!
This is horrible. I feel so evil.
Oh, me too. I'll need therapy after this.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we could ask that book.
You crazy? We need to see a professional after this.
Wait, my ear!
I think she's tricking us. Pull me! Oh, it wasn't a trick.
What? Everything is fuzzy. Wouldn't it be more fun to play jump rope instead?
We're really sorry for this.
You don't have to do this. I love Rose.
Don't tell us that.
Cutie. Cutie.
Oh, that's good, honey. Yeah.
Yeah, come on, darling.
Cutie. Oh, are you okay? Oh, no. You're broken. I'll fix you. Oh, no. Oh, no, Cutie. Poor Cutie. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry you hurt yourself.
May, I think it's working.
Yes. Yes, she's crying.
Yes! Come on! All right, we gotta get down there. Quick, before she stops. This way.
Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh,
Keep it going, sweetie.
oh, don't stop, darling. Come on, let it all out.
Sweet tears.
Oh.
Woo!
Hold on. What? Why is the spell not breaking?
Don't know. The tears should be the cure.
Oh no. Oh gosh. We're stuck like this.
No. No, that can't be. The tears should be the...
Oh.
But, what's this? Hey, May.
Leave me alone. It's over.
I think it's a letter from Rose. Listen. Dear Mom and Dad, I'm sorry that I did this to you.
What?
I know how to make everything good again. All you have to do is, I think this is it. This is the answer.
Go on. How do we break the spell?
All you have to do is, whoa! Ah, not so fast! Hey, give that back!
That's our letter.
You're not ready for it. To earn this letter, you must work together. You must fix the relationship.
No, you idiot!
Thanks very much. You just ripped up our only ticket out of here.
Yes, I did. Into 4 pieces. You put them together, you get the answer.
Oh, you thick-headed book!
Vale! It's time to dive deeper into your souls and collect the 4 letter pieces. Let's go!
Hey, where you going?
Get him!
Get the letter!
What? Oh,
Let us go.
this is abduction!
No, this is Dr. Hakim's couples therapy. Prepare for the roller coaster ride of your life.
Give us...
The letter! Bravo! You refer to us instead of me. You're a team now.
No, we're not a team and we don't have time for this.
Time. Good, man. That will be our first topic. Aha! Now, do you give each other enough time?
Okay, you know what? We don't. Yeah, because she is never at home.
Excuse me? I'm working for both of us. I can't be in 2 places at the same time, can I? Oh, unless you want me to clone myself.
Clone yourself? Oh, please, don't be ridiculous.
You think time is limitless. That's ridiculous. You have no sense of time.
Aha! Cloning and no sense of time. Good insights. We're making progress already. Great. Get ready. Hey! Woo!
Oh, no. No. Where are we?
I have no idea.
Voila! Oh, you're inside. Your family's Cuckoo Clock.
Why?
Great.
Man, you wish you could clone yourself. Now you can. And Cody, with no sense of time, you will now be able to control time. Yeah! Go!
Oh, look at that!
Whoa!
Is that me?
It's you and me.
That's right! But as you can see, you're on parallel tracks, not connected to each other. You must follow these tracks and make them meet again. Remember that! If you succeed, you will be rewarded your first piece of the letter. Good luck!
Where does he go? Oh, wow. So cool.
So pretty. But where are the wooden figures?
What? Did we lose them already?
Now what?
I don't know. Did that book say anything about what we do if we lose track of those guys?
No, he was just blabbing on and on about time.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, and you agreed with him.
Well, it's true. You're never at home.
Cody, do you really think I'm choosing to be away from home?
I don't know. That's just what it's been like for a long time.
Well, it's not my choice.
What do you mean?
If I lost my job, we'd lose everything.
Okay. But when you're never around, we lose us. Hey, look. There they are.
Let's follow them.
Gotta keep following those dolls.
Oh, the house is on fire! Well, wooden fire.
The dolls need our help!
Success once again! There they go!
I wonder where they're going.
at that handsome wooden guy go.
He is quite handsome, actually. Hey, keep up with the dolls!
All right. Now, to just open this gate. Should be a breeze. No, no, no! Where'd they go? Now how are we gonna follow them?
Cody, stop whining. Let's find another way.
I wasn't whining.
Oh, paddle boating! Let's see where we end up.
Oh, where does this go?
Oh, this looks like a start line. You want a race, Cody? Hey, Cody!
Oh, hey, that's a horse derby. Let's go for a ride, May.
I'm waiting, Cody!
Why are there bombs strapped to me? I thought this was just a race.
I guess it's gonna be an explosive one.
Oh, man.
I will win
still
this!
alive.
I will
That's
not
great.
explode!
Come on!
Run and you won't explode, May!
Stay on track, Cody.
That's right!
Don't explode on me. Don't explode on me.
Please! Yes! Woohoo! No limbs lost. Grab the other side! This race is mine!
Not against my winning horse.
We'll leave you in our tracks!
Oh, the race is on!
We're on fire!
Go on, boy!
Hiya!
Keep on going, buddy!
Hey, where's my ribbon award? Come on.
Cody, it's not an official race.
Okay,
see if I can catch any cuckoo fish.
Oh, Big Bertha, come on, come here.
Okay, a bit of fishing, I see. Maybe I'll catch something good.
Oh, you're mine.
Oh, here comes a big one. Oh, is it junk?
Ooh, okay.
Come on! Well, at least something bit.
Here you go, little fella.
Lunchtime! I don't like the look of this. Where are they taking them?
I'm sure they'll be fine.
Oh no, poor pigs.
What? Are they going to slaughter? I don't like this. Hey, Cody! I can see everything from here! It's beautiful! Wow, that clock tower is huge.
Is that where we're going?
Exactly! But to get inside, you need to unravel the secrets of the smaller towers. Uno, Those! You see?
Here's a thought. Why don't you just let us in the tall clock tower straight away?
Yeah, we need to get back to our real bodies as soon as possible.
Don't stress me. Time is an illusion. There's only now. Yeah. Can't you feel it? There's nothing else than now. Everything happens now. Now. Can you feel it?
Oh, yeah, I can feel it. You are very annoying.
Right now. Now.
Hey, Book! What's that strange sphere over there?
Yeah. That, my friends, you have to figure out yourselves. Woo!
We are not his friends.
Hey, Cody, I've got an idea. Maybe we can use those birds.
Okay.
Whoa! They can fly!
Of course they can! They're birds!
Yeah, but they're made of metal.
So are airplanes, Cody!
Okay, smarty pants.
They're flying bird machines! Hey, I think I see a landing spot on that tower!
Ugh, creepy cavern. Let's get out of here ASAP.
Wait, we have to solve the puzzles first.
You sound so enthusiastic.
Well, yeah, those symbols look so intriguing. I wonder what they are. Looks like we can slam these in.
Ah! A ghost!
It's just a sculpture.
Creepy as hell.
Oh, fancy seeing you again.
Well, I thought I'd make time for you. Ah. May, I don't like those weird lights. They look dangerous.
Yeah, exactly. I think we can use them
Use them? What for?
to take that out.
Okay.
Let's see what you can do. Alley-oop!
That one! Oh, it's about to get messy.
There we go. Easy.
Like a walk in the park.